Vectors that specify a certain direction can be rendered from the center of an object. There are four types of vectors: body-to-body direction vectors, velocity direction vectors, reference frame axes, and bore-side vectors. Body-to-body direction vectors begin at the center of one object and point towards the center of another object. To display this, select the object to which the direction vector will point. Then right-click the object from which the direction vector will originate. Then click Saturn direction or whatever the name may be in your case. Body-to-body direction vectors from an object to the Earth or to the Sun can be more conveniently displayed by right-clicking an object and clicking Sun direction or Earth direction. Velocity direction vectors point towards the direction in which the object is moving. To display this, right-click the desired object and click Velocity direction from the displayed options. Reference frames are ordered sets of three orthogonal direction vectors labeled x, y, and z. An object's context menu provides options that enable users to visualize these reference frames. Once visualized, each individual axis is treated as a vector and can perform the same functions as all other vectors. For more details on reference frames, see the reference frame section of the user's guide. Bore-side vectors represent the bore side of an instrument sensor. To display this, find the name of the desired sensor with the search icon in the left toolbar. Then click Bore Site. Anti-vectors can also be displayed for any rendered vector. An anti-vector is a vector pointing in the opposite direction of a given vector. To display this, select the parent body of the desired vector, right-click the vector, and click Show Anti-Vector from the displayed options. Note that the parent body of a bore-side vector is defined as its parent sensor rather than its parent spacecraft. An anti-vector cannot be turned on for an anti-vector.